Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bhaskaracharya Math Science Online. Now in earlier videos we have seen how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization method as well as by the computing square method. Now this is the third important method by which we are going to solve the quadratic equations by formula method. But before going into the formula method, we have to solve the formula. We have to find out the solution of this quadratic equation, that is the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of your quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of the quadratic equation where the condition is a should not be equal to 0. This is very important. So if a is 0, then this will not be a quadratic equation. So here this is very important, that a should not be equal to 0. And in this formula we are going to find out the value of alpha and beta, and we are going to design a formula so that by using these formula we can solve the quadratic equations. So coming to this quadratic equations, so as I said that this is a standard form of your quadratic equations. Here the coefficient of x square is a, so divide this a both sides, therefore x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now transfer this c upon a to RHS, therefore x square plus b upon ax is equal to minus c upon a. Now here also we don't have a third term. So to get the third term, our regular formula is 1 by 2 into coefficient of x brackets. So here the coefficient of x is b upon a. So 1 upon 2 into b upon a brackets. So this is equal to b upon 2a bracket square, which is equal to b square upon 4a square. Okay. Now add this b square upon 4a square here. So what you will get? You will get x square plus b upon ax plus this b square upon 4a square is equal to minus c upon a plus this b square upon 4a square. Okay. Now here this is the denominator, here is a and here is 4a square. So LCM, if you find the LCM, then you will get 4a square. This LHS you keep as it is here. So x square plus b upon ax plus b square upon 4a square is equal to the LCM of these two, that is equal to 4a square. Now since the LCM is 4a square, divide this 4a square with a, you will get 4a. So this 4a to multiply with minus c, so you will get minus 4ac plus the denominator of this one is 4a square and LCM is also 4a square. So no need of multiplying with this b square. So this is equal to b square. Now taking square root of x square as x symbol, since it is plus, to plus here square root of b square plus 4a square as b upon 2a. So this is b upon 2a. So this can be written as like this. So this is the x plus b upon 2a bracket square. So if you expand this one, then you will get this equation. And this is equal to, first you write this one, b square minus 4ac upon 4a. Now taking square root, taking square root. So this is x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus or minus this b square minus 4ac. This is not a complete square. So put it in a square root. So b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, so here what we should get? So x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x plus b upon 2a is equal to minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, to get the value of x, what we are going to do? X is equal to minus b upon 2a plus this one square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b upon 2a and this minus, so minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if we just look at this one, their denominators are same, therefore addition of numerator to the numerator, therefore x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these are the factors of this quadratic equation, which is a standard form of quadratic equation. Now here we are going to say that alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, in your syllabus, you are going to use this formula as far as to get the roots of a quadratic equation by the formula method. Okay. Now, let's consider this equation. That is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. This example, this quadratic equation, we are going to solve by the formula method. Now, what is our formula? This is the given quadratic equation is in the form of m. Therefore, its roots is equal to m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to find the value of b square minus 4ac. So, to get the value of b square minus 4ac, first of all, we have to write what is a, b and c. So, here a is equal to the coefficient of m square, that is 5. The value of b is coefficient of m, that is minus 4, and the value of c is minus. So first of all, we are going to find the value of b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 4, so minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is minus 4. So minus 4 bracket square, that is equal to 16 minus 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 2, 40. But minus minus will become plus. So this is equal to 40. So this comes to, the addition of these two comes to 56. Now substitute this value here. Therefore m is equal to minus b. The value of b is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 plus square root of 56 upon 2a. The value of a is 5. And is equal to minus minus will become plus. So plus 4 plus square root of 56. But 56 is what? It is not a complete square. So we have to factorize this 56 in such a way that their product should be 56. So 9 6 the 14 into 4. So this is 4 into 14 divided by. So here what I have done, I have divided this 56, I have factorized this 56 in such a way that one number, at least one number should be a complete square. So this is 4 is a complete square and this is 14. So here m is equal to, so here you write plus or minus. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus. Take a square root of 4, that is 2, in square root of 14 divided by 10. So here remove 2 as a common, 2 into 2 plus square root of 14 divided by 10, or 2 into 2 minus square root of 14 divided by 10. So divide this 10 by 2. So what you will get 2 plus square root of 14 divided by 5, comma 2 minus square root of 14 divided by 5. So this is the root of the given quadratic equation. So I think this is a very important aspect as far as the quadratic equation is concerned, and we have seen how to find the formula for standard form of the quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then we have taken one example of this. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so as to get the more videos in future. Thank you very much.